One of the things is that the city is Winnipeg. So if you choose to live in Manitoba outside of Winnipeg, you actually get additional points for that. But everybody wants to live in the city, so
Mm.
not a lot of people get that point. Also, if you work outside of Manitoba or go to school outside of Manitoba, you will lose points. I think it's 100 each. But apart
Okay.
from that, everything else is okay. So you do your English test and everything else, and you submit to the province. They do their draw about by every 2 weeks, or sometimes there are probably things happen where they may skip a month or skip a 2 weeks, but on average, it's every 2 weeks that they do their draw, and they will do their draw and invite you to submit an application. So I did this process, and I my points